Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to do secret management in an Azure pipeline properly. If you open your project on dev.azure.com, then you can go to pipelines, and here there will be a menu point, library, where you can create variable groups. If you create a new group and name it my secret group, then you can create a variable here, super secret variable, and give its value secret. Here there is a small lock icon. If you lock it, then its value will be secret. Then you need to save it. You can go to pipelines. You need to select your pipeline. Let's click on edit the pipeline. Add the section here, variables. Here add group and paste here the name of the secret variable group, my secret group. Then for comparison, let's create another variable with its name. Name it normal variable and give it a value normal value. To test it, we need to copy the multiple line script and first echo the normal variable, then echo the secret variable. So echo normal variable and then echo super secret variable, and let's just name this script variables. Then validate and save and check what's happening. You can see that it's already running. Click on it and let's see. And you can see that normal value is visible here, but the secret variable is secret even here. But the script was able to access it. Because if you remove the group, you can see what's different. So let's go back, edit it, and just comment out this line, validate and save, and see, it's running. You can see that the super secret variable command was not found. If you want to use the secret variables from a Python script, let's edit our previous Python script. First, import OS. Let's create a variable super secret variable equals os.environ super secret variable. Create another variable normal variable equals os.environ normal variable, and print both of them and commit. Let's go back to pipelines and edit the pipeline. So remove the comment from here and add here env and super secret variable colon super secret variable, add also the normal variable colon normal variable. Then validate and save. Check the pipeline. And we can see that the normal variable, the secret variable, and also the hello world is visible here. So the Python script ran without any problem. So to conclude, in this video I've shown you how to handle secret variables and normal variables in a pipeline within an inline script or in an external Python script. I hope you found it useful. If you have any question, don't be afraid to ask down below in a comment. Please like and subscribe if you want to support me, and see you next time. Bye!